Hi everyone! If you're new here, my name is Clara, your English guide. Today, we have an interesting topic. We'll learn how to talk about problems in English, simply and naturally. First, we'll step into Jack's day and listen to a short real-life conversation. Then we'll go back together and review the useful words and expressions. By the end of this video, you'll feel more confident explaining a problem and practicing your own sentences. So grab a pen and join us. Stay with me, like, subscribe, and let's jump into Jack's conversation now. All right, Jack, it's real life time. We're at the cafe now and the barista is waiting. Remember all the phrases we practiced?
I'm a little nervous. What if I spill more coffee?
Don't worry, Jack. Just stay calm. You've got this. Look, she's coming now.
Okay, let's do it.
Hi there. Welcome to Sunny Cafe. How can I help you today?
Hello? I have a problem with my order.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that. What seems to be the problem?
I ordered a cappuccino, but this is latte.
Ah, I see. Thank you for telling me. So you received a latte instead of a cappuccino?
Yes, exactly. Latte, not cappuccino.
No problem. We can fix that right away. Did it happen just now, or was it with your previous order too?
Just now, this morning. First time today.
Got it. So you want a cappuccino instead?
Yes, please. I feel a little frustrated because I was looking forward to cappuccino.
I understand. That's completely fine. It happens sometimes.
Thanks. It's okay. Just a small mistake.
No worries at all. While I make your cappuccino, can I offer a small cookie?
Oh, yes, please. That's nice. Very kind.
By the way, did you order at the counter or through the app?
I ordered through the mobile app.
Ah, I see. Sometimes the app shows the wrong size or drink. Did it show cappuccino when you clicked it?
Yes, but maybe I click wrong?
That happens. No problem. We'll get it right this time.
Okay, so next time I will check carefully.
That's a good plan. Checking your order before confirming helps a lot.
Yes, I see. Lesson learned. Excuse me, can you help me with making sure cappuccino is correct?
Of course. I'll make sure it's exactly how you like it.
Thank you. Very kind. Also, can I pay for latte or it's no problem?
Don't worry, we won't charge you for the latte. The cappuccino will be on us.
Oh, really? That's very nice. Thank you.
You're welcome. I'm glad we can fix it quickly.
I was frustrated because I really wanted cappuccino. Morning coffee is important.
I understand completely. Mornings without coffee can be rough.
Yes, exactly. Very rough.
So, cappuccino coming right up. Do you like it with extra foam or normal?
Normal, please. Extra foam maybe later.
Sure. Normal foam for now.
Okay, thank you. I learned talking about problems better now.
That's great to hear. Explaining clearly helps everyone.
I want to complain about latte, but politely.
You can also say, I want to report a problem with my latte politely.
Yes. I want to report a problem with my latte politely.
Thank you. That's very clear. You're doing great at explaining.
Thanks. I try, step by step.
By the way, what kind of milk do you prefer? Regular, almond, or oat?
Almond, please. Last time, regular was too heavy.
Got it. Almond milk it is.
Okay, sounds good. Also, how long cappuccino take?
Just a couple of minutes. I'll start making it right away.
Great. I wait here quietly.
So, Jack, do you usually come to Sunny Cafe in the mornings?
Yes, sometimes. But I always worry I say something wrong.
Don't worry. You're speaking very clearly. Mistakes happen to everyone.
Yes, even coffee mistakes. Morning problem, now practice problem too.
That's a good way to look at it. Every problem is a lesson.
Exactly. Morning problem, latte problem. I learn English problem.
Love that. Sounds like your English is improving very fast. Here you go, Jack. 1 almond cappuccino, normal foam.
Oh, wow. Thank you. Looks perfect.
You're welcome. I'm glad it's right this time.
Yes, I feel happy. Thank you for helping. I appreciate your patience.
Of course. I'm glad we could fix it quickly.
Jack, before we finish, let's remind our viewers all the expressions we used today.
Oh, yes, I'm excited. So many new words.
Perfect. Let's start with the first one that came up in the cafe. Problem.
Right, problem. That means an issue or something wrong, right? Like, I had a problem this morning because my coffee spilled.
Exactly. And it's what you say when something doesn't go the way you expected.
Haha, that one always reminds me of my notebook. Very wet.
Yes, exactly. And talking about that, we also used frustrated.
Ah, frustrated means feeling upset or annoyed because something didn't go well. Like, I was frustrated when I got the wrong coffee.
And it's okay to share your feelings like that. It makes your English sound natural.
I see. I can say, I felt frustrated because my order was wrong. That's nice.
Yes, and speaking of the order, we also used order.
Sure, order. That's what you ask for at a cafe or restaurant. Like, I want to order a cappuccino, please.
Exactly. You can also explain what you wanted versus what you got. That helps with mistakes.
That's true. And then we talked about latte and cappuccino.
Both are types of coffee. A latte has more milk and a cappuccino has more foam.
Ah, yes. So last time I got latte, I wanted cappuccino. Lesson learned.
Exactly, Jack. And then you needed to ask for help, remember?
Oh, yes, help. That is when you ask someone to assist you. Like, can you help me with my order?
Perfect. And you did it very politely, which reminds me, we also used politely.
Right, politely means speaking nicely or in a respectful way. Like, I reported the problem politely.
That's important when you're explaining mistakes or problems to someone.
I like that. So, polite, coffee problem solved. And English, too.
And don't forget, we also talked about spilled.
Ah, spilled. That means something falls out of its container, like when my coffee spilled on my notebook.
Exactly. And now you can describe what happened clearly, which is very useful in daily life.
True, very useful. No more silent panic over spilled coffee.
Exactly. Then there's appreciate.
Appreciate means to be thankful, like, I appreciate your help.
Perfect. And using it makes your English sound very natural and friendly.
I see. Maybe I can say, I appreciate your patience while I explain the problem.
Absolutely. That's perfect English, Jack.
Yay, I feel confident now, like a pro.
And finally, we had words about fix and cause.
Right. Fix means to repair or correct something, like the barista fixed my order.
Yes, exactly. And cause is why something happened, like the problem happened because I clicked the wrong option in the app.
Oh, yes, I remember that. So cause explains why, and fix solves it. Makes sense.
Nice, you're connecting the words naturally. Okay, viewers, let's summarize quickly together. Problem, frustrated, order, latte, cappuccino, help, politely, spilled, appreciate, fix, cause.
Problem means an issue. Frustrated means upset or annoyed. Order, what you ask for. Latte and cappuccino, types of coffee. Help, asking for assistance. Politely, speaking nicely. Spilled, when something falls. Appreciate, be thankful. Fix, repair. And cause, why something happens.
Exactly. And viewers, your turn. Try writing 3 to 5 sentences using these words in the comments.
Yes, you can say things like, I had a problem today, or I appreciate your help, or my coffee spilled this morning.
Don't worry about making mistakes. Just practice forming your sentences.
And remember, the more you practice, the easier it gets, and it's fun.
Viewers, if you enjoyed learning these words and practicing real-life conversations, make sure to subscribe and click the bell. That way you won't miss any of our next lessons.
Exactly. Join us for more English practice, and don't be shy. Write your sentences in the comments. We love seeing them.
And remember, talking about problems in English is not just about words, it's about expressing yourself clearly, politely, and confidently.
Yes, I feel ready. Maybe tomorrow I'll order my coffee perfectly and explain any small problem without worry.
That's the spirit. Keep practicing, viewers, and enjoy your English journey.
Thanks, everyone. Keep learning, stay confident, and see you in the next lesson.